Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set hatch origin in AutoCAD. This is a very useful skill when your hatch patterns don't look properly aligned with your drawing geometry. First, open AutoCAD and go to your drawing area where you already have a closed shape with a hatch applied. This can be any object, like a box, a house-like shape, or even a custom P-line boundary that you have created earlier. Now, select the hatch inside your object. At this point, you may notice that the hatch pattern does not perfectly align with the edges of your shape. It may be shifted, rotated, or visually inconsistent with your design. Instead of deleting and recreating the hatch, AutoCAD provides a simple way to fix this using the Set Origin option. Once the hatch is selected, go to the top ribbon where hatch editing tools are available. Look for the option called Set Origin and click on it. After selecting Set Origin, AutoCAD will ask you to pick a new origin point inside your shape. This point will act as the starting reference for the hatch pattern. Now, carefully choose a meaningful reference point, usually a corner of the shape, or a key edge where alignment matters most. This helps the hatch pattern align logically with your geometry. Once you click the new origin point, the hatch pattern will immediately adjust and realign itself based on the new starting position. You will notice that the pattern now fits your shape much better, making the drawing look cleaner, more professional, and more precise. This small adjustment can completely change the visual quality of your design, especially when working on detailed drawings where accuracy and presentation matter. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set hatch origin in AutoCAD and align patterns precisely using the Set Origin tool. This is a simple but powerful trick that will improve the quality of your AutoCAD drawings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.